Welcome to Sparkles to Silverlocks channel. I'm Shahara. I'm super excited to share my Sisterlock journey. And today I'm coming on here to share my first retie. Yay! I'm so excited because I washed my hair the day before. So I did my first wash. It was a 4-week wait that she wanted me to wait. And oh my gosh, it was so difficult. I'm used to washing my hair at least every 2 weeks. And prior to the pandemic, that's a whole story. I don't know what it was, but I decided to extend it to 2 weeks. But before that, I was always like on a weekly schedule pretty faithfully. But this 4 weeks of not washing, it was difficult. So we're going to come up with a solution because my hair is fine. It's low density. She wants me to wait before I start washing it like every 2 weeks or anything like that. So it's just I want to scrub my scalp. That's all. I just want to scrub it with some soap. Does anybody else feel that way sometimes where you're just like, oh my gosh, I want to get to this, but I don't want to scratch it? So she's looking for some solutions. If you guys even have any ideas of what to do between washes to just soothe your scalp, I can present them to her and then we can go over it and see which one would be best. But let me know what you guys have done. But 4 weeks is what it is because she wants me to make sure that they get a chance to lock. And again, I'm here to protect the investment. These are not inexpensive, right? You guys know. So this is my Sisterlocks. Again, by me putting water on my hair was able to start to do the shrinkage, get wavy, get curly, get kinky, whatever the terminology is. But I'm just really happy to just have this naturally without twisting it. This is all naturally trying to coil. So really excited. It feels good. Like it just feels good to have them all freshly tied. It's tight, but it's not as tight as my installation. When I did my installation, I felt like in the first day, not throughout the night, just like the first part of the evening or something when I thought about it. So it wasn't horrible, but it wasn't horrible. It wasn't anything that was just overly present, but my head was throbbing. Like literally I felt my heartbeat in my scalp. So anyway, that shows you like how it felt, but it wasn't, like I said, it was just, I'm not used to having my hair braided. It's been years since I got it braided. It was been years since anything had been pulled, because I always wore a loose natural that was considered the wash and go. I wasn't washing and going, but I did the wash and go technique. And so that's what I was used to wearing. So there was no pulling or tugging or nothing, going on at the scalp. But she said that I asked her if there were any locks that she had to marry, or anything like that to, like taking and combining any locks. And she said no, but she's got her eye out on a few, but she wants to watch and see how they do. She said I did good. So, so I said, I'll take it. So I appreciate that. It took 2 hours. So my first retie took me 2 hours. So that's good. And she wants me to go every 4 weeks for right now. And at some point I'll be going every 5 weeks, just not yet. So, and for the first 6 months, she wants me to wash my hair right before the retie. So she's willing for me to even wash my hair the morning of or the day of. And she's okay with me coming in with damp hair. So that's also a plus too. Because then I could just come out, in the morning, take the shower, tie my hair up at night the way that I would wash it. When I'm taking my shower, just make sure I wash my hair, shampoo my hair, and off I'm going to get my retie. So she's okay with doing it with damp hair as well. So she said, don't feel pressure to have to dry your hair before you come to me for your retie. So I'm looking forward to this journey. Like I say, I'm just enjoying every step as I understand this, because I do know, you know, just with dealing with other things in life, that as life proceeds forward, you just end up needing to, you got to enjoy each moment. That's what I'm trying to say. So I feel like the Sisterlocks journey is like a metaphor to life, and just enjoying every moment, enjoying where you're at today, and celebrating where you're at today, so that when you look back on it, you're like, wow, those look amazing. And not thinking, wow, those look amazing. But at the time, I did not think it. You ever felt that way? So this is what this is really. I feel like, you know, there's always something that things will teach you, or life will teach you. I didn't know I was going to go here. But anybody else feel that way about your sister-like journey? Like it's a metaphor to some of the things that you do or have dealt with in life. And then also we're at the end of the year, so I've been doing a lot of reflection. So that might be why I'm speaking like this, because I'm in that place of reflecting on the year and being thankful for where God has taken me from the beginning of this year to now. And then just how this journey of going through the sister-like journey is helping me to even see that this is exciting. This is, you know, this is a part of being in life, where you try something new and you're looking forward to the thing, you're looking forward to the ultimate vision, but enjoying yourself along the way. And that's what I think reflecting is, especially this time of year when we get to spend time with family, friends, and loved ones overall. So if anything, let me know what your thoughts are on how you look at Sisterlocks. How do you feel about this journey that you're on? And how are you enjoying every step of the way? So anyway, I will end this. I want you guys to see how they look. I am very pleased with it. You know, it's definitely got some stretch. If you look at my previous video, you'll see that, you know, the first wash before the retie, it was definitely shorter, but by her retightening the roots, it's just stretched it. And because it's washed and now I'm getting my natural curl, I just feel like it's getting thicker looking. I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm enjoying it. So I'm just gonna do a 360, let you see what's going on here. See the top? And another thing, I'm loving wearing my hair up on the top of my head in a little bun, basically, and my bangs down. It keeps my hands out of my head. I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I put my hands in my hair a lot. And especially now that I have Sisterlocks, I notice it even more. So putting it in a bun on the top of my head and tucking it so that no hair is really out except for my bang hair, it's been helpful. So I'm gonna keep doing that as well. I can't do it right now because of the retie. I don't, you know what, I could potentially, but right now it's just a little too tight for me to feel comfortable pulling it in that direction. But thank you all. If you've enjoyed this, if you're coming along this journey with me, please feel free to like. Please feel free to share this video with someone you know. And also take that extra step and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless.